Use the List tool to organize prompts for yourself and team members. With a couple of mouse clicks, you can find and reuse your favorite prompts without running a new search. Use the default AIPRM lists or create new ones. Let's look at the default lists. You can see the list tabs at the top of the page. To open a list, click a tab. If you favorite a public or private prompt by clicking the star icon, it appears here. This list shows vetted prompts available to premium subscribers. All public prompt templates published and available to users are here. These are prompts that you created. Use this list to remove prompts from the dashboard because they have no value to you and you don't want to see them anymore. To hide a prompt, click the X icon. If you change your mind, go to the hidden list and click the X icon again. If you need more, create a custom list. Go to the top right corner of the ChatGPT window, click the Add List button, enter a short list name, and optionally check the box to share the list with a team. Select a team name and click Create List. You can also create a private list. It's available to the user who created the list and it's not shared with a team. Now, to change a custom list from shared to private, click the List tab one time, click the three-dot icon, select Make List Private. Click OK in the confirmation. That's it. Now you know how to find and create lists.